dreamed of escaping the chaos of the airport terminal and stepping into a serene oasis before your flight? Well, what if I told you that comfort could be within reach, even without a premium airline ticket, just by using your debit card today? We're unlocking the surprisingly accessible world of airport lounges using the card you likely already have in your wallet. First things first, not all debit cards offer this perk. We're talking about specific debit cards, often linked to premium checking accounts or bundled within desirable banking packages. These are the gatekeepers to your lounge experience. Think of it like this: your debit card is your key, but it needs to be the right key. So, how do you find out if your debit card is a golden ticket? The first step is to check your bank's official website or contact their customer service directly. Look for features like lounge access, priority pass, or specific partnerships with lounge networks. Many banks will clearly list which types of debit cards include this benefit. Now, let's talk about potential fees. While some premium debit cards grant you a set number of complimentary visits per year, others might have a per visit charge or require a small annual membership fee for the lounge access program. It's crucial to understand these costs upfront to avoid any surprises. Read the fine print. Many banks partner with global lounge access programs like Priority Pass, LoungeKey, or Dragon Pass. These programs give you access to a vast network of lounges worldwide. Once you've confirmed your debit card's eligibility, you'll usually need to register for the specific lounge access program through your bank's portal. After registration, you'll typically receive a digital or physical membership card or a QR code through your bank's app. When you arrive at the lounge, simply present your debit card along with your boarding pass, and if applicable, your lounge access membership card or QR code. The attendant will scan them to verify your eligibility. What if your debit card doesn't offer direct lounge access? Don't despair. Many lounges offer day passes, which can often be purchased using any debit or credit card. It's a great alternative if you're craving that pre-flight comfort and your current card isn't equipped. So there you have it. With a little research and the right debit card, you can transform your airport wait from stressful to serene. Enjoying complimentary snacks, Wi-Fi, and a quiet space to relax is more accessible than you might think.